So today's topic is how to use ChatGPT for insurance marketing. Going ahead, just want to quickly introduce myself. So I'm Abdesh, and I'm author of this book called Friendly Agent. In this book, what I did was I interviewed a lot of top insurance agents across US and even in Canada, and I documented how they were able to scale up their agency, what were their learnings, and so this way everybody else can learn from them, and maybe reduce that learning curve, and instead of spending 20 years they can do it in a much faster way. And I have this website Friendly Agent where I keep sharing latest trend from technology, marketing, and different aspects which help insurance agents basically. What is ChatGPT? So I asked ChatGPT, hey, um, what is ChatGPT? It is a AI based model. It's chatbot where you can put some prompt or questions, and it will provide you answers. And in this presentation we are going to see for your insurance agency or insurance specific marketing. So basically, if you look from the marketing funnel perspective, how it works is first stage is the awareness stage, where you use SEO or Facebook ads or something to make sure that your consumers are aware about you. Second stage is once they are aware, you need to share a message which will prompt them to share their email address or sign up on Messenger or something like that with you. Then third stage, once you have um, their email or their contact details, you try to nurture that lead by being in touch with them over a period of time. And finally, due to this nurture sequence and all, some of them will convert into a paying customer. Chat GPT looks like, it's very easy to sign up. You can Google how to sign up on Chat GPT, but basically chat.openai.com. This is the URL. It'll ask initially phone number, and you can use a free plan. One is you'll have to create a plan, like how you want to market or look at marketing. So if you are working through say organic channels like blogging or SEO or YouTube, then you may want to publish it at in a regular interval, like maybe weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Or if you're using a Facebook ads or those kind of a paid marketing channel, then you need to create those Facebook ads or paid marketing ads, and then run those campaigns so that you're able to acquire leads. And finally, when you have leads, you'll have to send emails or communication to those leads so that they can um, be nurtured over a period of time and then become a paying customer. So let's ask ChatGPT, create a to create a marketing plan for ourselves. So the best thing is with ChatGPT, many times when we want to do something, right, create a marketing plan or marketing campaign or email, we kind of start with a blank page, and it takes a lot of time for us to come up with a content. But here it is able to provide you a content which you can use it as a initial um, what is a template, or initial structure which you can define refine as you go. So yes, so if you have to create a marketing plan, then yes, you have to define your target market and brand identity and all those things. Now for example, let's look at target so one more thing, right? If you have to use Chat GPT effectively, you should be giving, some kind of a prompt, or to make sure chat gpt is educated about what you are trying to do. So for example here, right, so first we'll inform chat gpt that, I am an insurance agent specializing in indexed life insurance policy for kids. Do you understand? Okay. So yeah, it is able to understand, and what actually is an index life insurance policy, permanent life, cash value. Perfect. So now what you can do is, so for example, if you have an existing set of customers, you may want to send email to them educating how this product can help them. So, let's ask the chat GPT, can you write an email educating customers about this product? So I hope all of you are able to see this and follow along what's happening. Instead of starting from a blank slate, we have something like, subject protect your child future. Yeah, it makes sense. Dear customer. And again, like, you don't have to use this 100%. Go through this, refine it. Maybe you have something specific you want to add. Finally, like, your name, agency details, website link, and whatnot. But this email can be used as a starting point. Okay, sure, that's good. Okay, Peter is saying, can you make it casual? Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. Protect your kiddo's future with index. Okay. Okay, one of the coolest thing about life insurance. Okay, so I think it is comparatively casual to what ChatGPT shared earlier. It's always a good practice to have some kind of a calendar, or maybe tool to plan out your content or communication over a period of time. So for example, like this is a simple Google Sheet calendar. So, and this is for March. So you can plan that, okay, every Friday you will send out an email. So email one could be about this thing, educating about child index IUL policies. Email two can be about something else, and so on and so forth. And then you can use chat gpt, maybe first of the month, to create all of these emails. And then you can put these emails in your um, email marketing tool. I mean, I use active campaign, but I know everybody use different tools. Whatever email marketing tool you have, you can create these kind of, say, 4 emails and schedule it. Okay, third first email, 10th second email, and then kind of full month of your email nurturing sequence is created. And as you see right here, I mean, in within a minute or two, we were able to create an email for this thing. You can come up with the topics, and even that also you can ask chat gpt, can you please suggest topics. uh, Okay. So this way, I mean, you can even use ChatGPT to do research on topics or a content and all these things. So this is one part, email, right? So now coming back to marketing, we discussed initially that you can do either paid marketing or you can do more of a, let's say, organic or a inbound marketing. Generally, writing blogs or YouTube videos or something like that, where you have to spend some time in creating content, but over a period of time, if your content start ranking on a Google or a YouTube, then you'll get a lot of organic leads. So let's use Chat GPT for that. um, so I I do both blogging and YouTube. So let's ask Chat GPT to create a blog outline. Okay, so you can see. So I mean, I remember, like, when I used to write a blog, I used to spend maybe 30 minutes or an hour just to create this outline, like, or whenever before Chat GPT I was doing it. So all these different topics, and many people, like, what they do is they create these high level topics, and they used to give to somebody to write it, or they themselves write it. And I mean, you can use Chat GPT to create not only this outline, but also content specific to each of these things. So introduction, um, all these, each of the line you can type in Chat GPT and it will create a content for you. But in my mind, like, it's better to have a healthy mix of AI generated content and your own original content. um, because see, after some time, right, Google and other platform, they may get smarter in detecting what is AI generated content. Currently, they are not able to do that much. But it's better to have a healthy mix so that it looks more original and genuine. So this was the block outline. Similarly, if you have to create a YouTube script. So again, like, generally, if some of you have been creating YouTube video, first what you do is you create a script on a topic, and then you use that script and talk in front of a camera and create a video. So that you can also ask Chat GPT, create YouTube script for this product. If you have any other questions or something you want me to cover in this masterclass, then please feel free to drop a comment and I'll try to cover it. Okay, so this is good. It is suggesting you, right? Start with an attention grabbing hook to introduce the topic. As a parent, you want the best for your child's future, and that's why I'm excited to talk to you about a powerful tool for protecting your child. This is awesome, right? Like, all these things, it is giving you prompt, and even making sure that you're creating a YouTube video which people will find interesting. And okay, so this is from kind of an organic perspective. So now let's look at Facebook ads. So when you with Facebook ads, right, the benefit is that you can specifically target a particular audience. So you can create an ad. Again, in this case, you're targeting parents who have kids in a certain. So you can specify a age range and a geography and all those things you can do, and run Facebook ads. And to create the content of the Facebook copy, you can ask ChatGPT to do it. So let's do it. Can you please create a Facebook ad copy for this product? Uh, let's ask ChatGPT to make it a little bit more casual. Can you make it casual? Okay. Yeah, this looks better. Hey, parents want to give your kiddo a head start in life. Okay. But yeah, again, like, definitely you can modify things according to your need. But but when you're running Facebook ads, right, there are other things also, like how you target, how you test different Facebook ad campaigns, and then uh, what kind of a campaign you should use so that, like, you have a better conversion. And after that, like, how to do retargeting and whatnot. So those aspects also you should be paying attention to, other than, like, creating a Facebook ad copy. Because if you don't pay, all of these things should come together, then only your Facebook ads and Instagram ads, they will work. So we have a kind of a learning module or course on this thing, Facebook ads, how to run them, and it's part of our Friendly Agent Pro membership. So if anybody is interested, I'll share a link. There you'll get more details about how to run Facebook ads and convert it. So at a high level, like how you can use this for marketing. You don't have to start with a blank slate. Whatever marketing you're trying to do, you can create content and kind of get a head start, and then give it to your marketing team, or third party vendor, or yourself refine it using ChatGPT.